A wireless keyboard and mouse combo like this is designed for users who want a simple, dependable setup without the clutter of extra cables. With a full-size keyboard layout, it provides the familiar key arrangement that many people prefer for everyday typing, making it suitable for office work, studying, writing, spreadsheets, and general home computer use. Keeping the complete layout also means the transition from a traditional wired keyboard feels natural, especially for users who rely on the number pad for data entry or calculations. One of the most practical features is the silent keyboard design. Quieter keystrokes can make a noticeable difference in shared workspaces, home offices, libraries, or late-night work sessions where reducing noise is appreciated. Rather than changing the typing experience completely, the quieter operation simply helps minimize distractions for both the user and the people nearby. The included optical mouse complements the keyboard by providing a straightforward pointing solution for everyday navigation. Whether browsing the web, editing documents, or handling routine computer tasks, an optical mouse is well suited for general productivity without adding unnecessary complexity. Since the keyboard and mouse are designed as a matching combo, users can set up both devices together instead of purchasing separate peripherals. The 4 GHz wireless connection focuses on convenience by eliminating cable clutter while allowing comfortable positioning on a desk. This makes it easier to maintain a cleaner workspace and gives users more flexibility when arranging their monitor, keyboard, and mouse. For people who regularly move between workspaces or simply prefer a tidy desk, a wireless setup can be much more convenient than managing multiple cables. Long battery life is another practical advantage because it reduces the frequency of battery replacements or recharging, depending on the power source used by the devices. Less maintenance means fewer interruptions during daily work, making the combo better suited for users who spend extended hours at the computer and want reliable day-to-day operation. The ergonomic design also adds value by aiming to support a more comfortable typing and navigation experience during extended sessions. While ergonomics can never replace proper desk posture, a thoughtfully designed keyboard and mouse can contribute to a more comfortable workspace over time. Based on the available information, this wireless keyboard and mouse combo is best suited for users looking for a full-size, quiet, and practical input solution. It emphasizes comfort, reduced desktop clutter, and dependable everyday functionality rather than specialized gaming or advanced customization features, making it a sensible option for productivity-focused users who simply want an efficient and uncomplicated wireless setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.